Everybody meet Slimey the Worm, a sub-adult loggerhead. We received Slimey from the Star Center in Roanoke Island, and that is exactly where he got his name, which is actually from one of the Muppets. One of Slimey's nicknames is actually Smiley because it seems like he's always happy. Here you'll see his bowl of food. He gets fed once a day and gets about 1,950 grams of mackerel, usually bloodied. Slimey is at our hospital because he was diagnosed with debilitated turtle syndrome, which appears from numerous different causes and essentially is when major organs or systems within the body stop working or are not functioning at their best. Slimey is also a little under 100 pounds. He's one of the biggest turtles that we have at our hospital right now. Slimey is such a special turtle, and he has so many special quirks about him. He always in the mornings will come up with his mouth wide open, and as you can see in this little clip, he is getting his tank refilled and loves the feeling of the water go over his carapace. Thanks for watching.